Hi guys, I have a new package for you. This is a surprise package. I had no idea about this package at all. Thank you, Madam Glam, for always thinking of me. They have been so supportive of me and my channel, and I just cannot thank Madam Glam enough. I have absolutely no idea what's in this package. I just love the packaging. I love the gold detail on this box. I just thought that it was very simple but beautiful at the same time. It is just gorgeous. I love these little details. If you did not know, Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil-free, 21 free formula, and also HEMA-free. Like I said, I have no idea what's in this box, so we are going to open this up together. Are you ready? 3, 2. I'm so excited. 1. What are we gonna find? More polish. More oh my, Madam Glam. So I do have a coupon code with Madam Glam, and I will leave it on the screen and in the description box below. We're going to swatch these colors out. I was not contacted about these colors at all. These colors were chosen and sent to me. I'm very, very appreciative of that. These are beautiful fall colors. I think that's where they were going there. Let me grab a couple of swatch sticks and we will swatch these colors out. Excuse my nails. I am trying to remove my nails or remove the polish off my nails. I don't know if I'm going to do a whole new set or what's going to go on, but sorry for how they look. So I have grabbed 4 swatch sticks and we are just going to swatch these colors out so you can see how beautiful they are. And maybe I will do my next set with these colors because they are perfect for fall and I wanted to do another fall set. So I think these will be perfect to use on my next set. Alright, so first we're going to go through the colors. This is a beautiful nude color, and this is called Food Coma. I do have other nudes by Madam Glam, but I do not have this one. The next color we have here is called Spooky Pants, which is super cute. I love the names of Madam Glam polishes. They're so creative. I always wonder how they come out with the names or come up with the names. The next one is a beautiful brown, and it is called Hi, I'm Chandler. Super beautiful brown. And this gorgeous bright orange is called Perfect Orange. And I do not have an orange yet, so I am very appreciative of all of these colors. I do have a couple of nudes. I don't really have any browns, I don't think, so I'm very thankful for these. And this orange, I do not have any orange, I don't think at all, from Madam Glam. I don't even think I have many orange gel polishes, period. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I already have a couple of ideas for the orange already. So let's swatch these colors so you can see how beautiful they truly are. All right, we are getting ready to swatch Food Coma. This is that beautiful kind of nude color. Look how beautiful and buttery these polishes are. This is why I love Madam Glam polishes. They're not too thin. They're just thick enough. I would just stay really thin with these polishes, you know, in case you wanted to layer up. But look how smooth and buttery and creamy these colors are, or this color is. And really all Madam Glam polishes are kind of just smooth and creamy, and I love the texture. So we are just going to cure that and see what it looks like after. I also feel like Madam Glam, a lot of Madam Glam polishes, I haven't found many that needed several coats. I think that this one is just a 1 coat, but we will see what it looks like after it comes out of the lamp. We're going to continue on with Spooky Pants. I love these names. I think they're so cute. Spooky Pants, and I don't have a brown like this. It's kind of like a caramel brown. It's very beautiful. By the way, look out for another Madam Glam video. I am going to be uploading another video. I am going to be part of their campaign this month. I was asked to be part of it, so I will leave all of that information, not in this video, but I will leave it in my next video if you are curious about the campaign or the campaign. So Again, we're going to move on to Spooky Pants. See how beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. What a beautiful, perfect fall color. Look how beautiful this color is. Gorgeous. I love the texture. I love the color. It is just gorgeous. I definitely think that this will be one of the colors that I will use on my next set. For sure. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous fall color. Beautiful. So this is Food Coma out of the lamp. Beautiful and shiny. And that's without a top coat. This is without a top coat. Beautiful. Alright, so we're going to move on to Hi, I'm Chandler. And we are going to swatch this one out. Oh, beautiful. A beautiful, look at that, chocolate brown. Oh, it's stunning. Again, I don't have any browns like these. I do have a couple of nudes, but I do not have any brown polishes from Madam Glam, but oh, this one's beautiful. Look, sorry, I'm off camera. Look how beautiful and chocolate brown this color is. Again, that's without a top coat. Of course, that's without curing, but look at that. Look how flat these polishes just kind of lay. They're not thick at all. Look at that shine. Stunning. All right, and our last color that we are going to swatch for this video is Perfect Orange. And this bottle's a little different because all the other bottles say Madam Glam on them, you know, soak off gel polish. But this polish says the name right on the front of the bottle, which I love as well. Of course, it is on the bottom, but I love that it is printed on the front of the bottle as well. All right, and our last color here, Perfect. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Beautiful. Oh, I have so many ideas. Look how gorgeous. I mean, come on. I even think that it's a little bit more neon than what it's kind of giving on camera. Wow. I don't really know if it's really neon. I would say it's more of a really bright orange than I would say neon. But look, I mean, come on, look how perfect this color is. Beautiful, stunning for fall. Oh, I love this color so much. Look at that. Beautiful. I love this color. It's probably my favorite color out of the four. Gorgeous. I don't have anything like this. I just quickly went ahead off camera and top coated our swatches here. I'm just giving them a minute. I'm going to go ahead and top coat this one. Madam Glam, thank you always for collaborating with me. I want to really just say thank you so much for everything that you have done for me. I truly appreciate it. And these are the swatches. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you look into these beautiful fall colors. Subscribe if you haven't already liked this video. Leave a comment if you'd like to below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.